Welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your OpenTable application not working. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you want to do is check your internet connection, open your control panel, try toggling between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data just to ensure a stable internet connection. Always ensure that your VPN is turned off because it does interfere with the application. Try to toggle on and off your airplane mode just to go ahead and give it that quick refresh. If that is not the case, you might have a pending update. Open your App Store or Play Store depending on the device you're using and simply go ahead and search for OpenTable application. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and search for OpenTable and then simply go ahead and tap on the application's name in order to check if there are any updates available. If there are any updates pending, there is going to be an update button instead of the open button right over here. If that is not the case, you might have no other options but to try to uninstall and reinstall the application, and that is about it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.